Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to hide chats on Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the Snapchat bar at the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply hold the chat that you want to hide. I can hold this chat, so I can tell you the Snapchat doesn't provide any feature to hide the chat. So if you want to hide the chat, you can just simply clear the chat from your display screen. Now you can tap on chat and notification settings, and now you can tap on clear from chat feed, and after this the chat will be hidden on your display screen. And this is the way you can hide chats on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.